Introducing the all-new 2023 Ducati Panigale V4 R. Powered by a 998cc V4 engine which produces 218 horsepower at 15,500 RPM and 111.3 Nm of torque at 12,000 RPM. The racing configuration with the optional Akrapovic full system exhaust can produce 237 horsepower at 15,500 RPM and 118 Nm of torque at 12,250 RPM. The power can also be bumped up to 240.5 horsepower with Ducati Special Performance Oil. The bike gets new race-oriented electronics. New Track Evo display on the dashboard, engine maps with calibration dedicated to each single gear, refinements to the Ducati traction control, and the ride-by-wire system, and the adoption of the new engine brake control, quick shift system and cooling fan control. The new 2-element carbon fiber wings guarantee the same aerodynamic load, but are more compact and thinner than the previous gen. New brushed aluminium tank with a capacity of 17 liters and a profile that offers better support for the rider's arms and legs when braking and cornering. At the front, the Öhlins NPX 2530 pressurized fork increases its travel by 5 mm compared to the previous R. Combined with an Öhlins TTX 36 fully adjustable shock absorber in the rear and an aluminium single-sided swing arm with adjustable pivot positions. Standard electronics on the new V4R includes riding modes, power modes, cornering ABS, traction control, wheelie control, engine brake control, power launch, quick shifter and auto tire calibration. Other standard equipments includes Öhlins steering damper, Marchesini forged aluminium wheels, lithium-ion battery, racing-style handle grips, chain guard, carbon fiber front mud guard and heat shield, and billet aluminium steering stem with a limited production number. The curb weight is 193.5 kilograms for the standard model and 188.5 kilograms for the racing configuration with full racing exhaust.